Alright, here's a blast from the past, two blasts from the past. Radio Shack power supply and an old Uniden PRO520XL.
There's a bar in front of me to hold on to. That's what I'm going to be holding up. I'm not pushing my hands in the air.
So, one of the ways you can kind of tell the older versus the newer is you look at the 9 and the 6. The newer ones, there'll be that section will be lit, and on 6, that section will be lit. Alright, so this is, tell me load. Got our monitor receiver here.
Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio check, check, check.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello, radio check, 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 check. Hello, this radio has been detuned for so it can drive a helper box. Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4. Radio check, let me back the RF game down. Hello, radio check 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, radio check 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the Uniden PRO401HH. Sorry about the feedback.
RF gain's all the way down.
Hello, that's much better. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.